Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of knowledge sharing. For today, we are looking at this question and it says, if x plus y equals to 6 and xy equals to 6, then find the value of x and y. So we are going to find the value of x and y from the given equation. We are given here x plus y equals to 6 and also x, y equals to 6. Let's call this equation 1 and let's call this equation 2. So from equation 1, we have seen that x plus y equals to 6. Therefore, the value of y equals to 6. When y transposed into this other side becomes minus x. Y equals to 6 minus x. Then from equation 2, we have that x, y equals to 6. Then we are going to substitute the value of y as 6 minus x. So we are going to have x into 6 minus x equals to 6. So expanding this, we are going to have x times 6 will give us 6x. Then x times minus x will give us minus x to the power of 2 equals to 6. So for us to rearrange this will give us 6x minus x to the power of 2. This will transpose into this other side, become minus 6 equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation, but we need to rearrange this. This will give us minus x to the power of 2 plus 6x minus 6 equals to 0. So from here, for us to clear this negative sign, we need to divide all through by minus 1. So here will become minus 1 times, or we need to divide or multiply all through by minus 1. So this will become minus x to the power of 2 divided by minus 1, then plus 6x divided by minus 1, then minus 6 divided by minus 1 equals to 0 divided by minus 1. So this will become minus x to the power of 2 divided by minus 1 will give us x to the power of 2. Then this will become 6x divided by minus 1 become minus 6x. Then this one will become minus 6 divided by minus 1 will give us plus 6. Then all equals to 0 divided by minus 1 will give us 0. So this is what we have as our new equation, which is a quadratic equation. We are going to find the value of x here from here by using a quadratic formula for us to find the value of x. So quadratic formula is in the form x equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b to the power of 2 minus 4ac all over 2a. From this equation here, our value of a equals to 1, then our value of b equals to minus 6, then our value of c equals to 6. Substituting this parameter into the quadratic formula, we are going to have our x equals to minus b, which is minus into minus 6, plus or minus square root of b to the power of 2, which is minus 6 to the power of 2. Then we have minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is 6, all over 2 times 1. Our a is 1. So here will become x equals to minus times minus 6 gives us 6. Then we have plus or minus square root of minus 6 to the power of 2 is 36. Then we have minus 4 times 1 times 6 will give us minus 24 all over 2. We all know that our x equals to 6 plus or minus square root of 36 minus 24 will give us 12. This is all over 2. So from this equation, we are given that x, or we have it that x equals to 6 plus or minus square root of 12 is same thing as 4 times 3 all over 2. We all know that our x equals to 6 plus or minus square root of 4 times square root of 3 all over 2. So from here, we can see that our value of x here equals to x equals to 6 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2. Then we have root 3 all over 2. This can be written as x equals to 6 all over 2 plus or minus 2 root 3 all over 2. 2 cancel here 1 and 2 cancel here 3. 2 cancel here 1 and 2 cancel here 1. Therefore, our x equals to 3 plus or minus root 3. From here, we have two solutions from here because it is plus or minus. So we are going to separate this as x1 equals to 3 plus root 3 and x2 as 3 minus root 3. So this is the value of 2x that we have. We have this as the value of x. We are going to find the value of y because we are asked to find the value of x and y. Then from here, we are going to substitute that value of x into where we have y equals to 6 minus x. Before we do that, we need to clean this. So from here, we are taking case 1, which is x1 equals to 3 plus root 3. So from here, we have gotten x1. So we are going to have y1 from this equation, which is y equals to 6 minus x. So from the value of y, which is y1, we will have 6 minus. In the place of x, we are going to put 3 plus root 3. So for us to expand this, we have y1 equals to 6 minus 3 minus root 3. So this will become y1 equals to 6 minus 3 equals to 3 minus root 3. So this is the value of y1 that we have. Then for y2, at x2 equals to 3 minus root 3. So this will become our y2 equals to 6 minus x. Substituting this into here, we have y2 equals to 6 minus into 3 minus root 3. So expanding this, we have y2 equals to 6 minus 3. Then minus time here, we have plus root 3. So this will become y2 equals to 6 minus 3 equals to 3. We have plus root 3. So this is the value of y2 that we have. So we can write this as x1 y1 equals to x1, which is 3 plus root 3. Then we have y1 as 3 minus root 3. Then we have x2 y2, which is equals to our x2, which is 3 minus root 3. Then we have our y2, which is 3 plus root 3. We can see that the value of x1 equals to the value of y2, and also the value of y1 equals to the value of x2 from here. We can do a little check for us to see. Let's check whether each of these values will satisfy this equation. For that, we need to clean this. Clean this for us to check and see whether we have that as the value of x. Then we are given x plus y equals to 6 and also y equals to 6. Then at x equals to 3 plus root 3, then y equals to 3 minus root 3. Then substitute this into here, we have our x, which is 3 plus root 3. Then we have y here, which is 3 minus root 3 equals to what? Which is 6. We can see that we have 3 when we collect like plus 3 plus root 3 minus root 3 equals to what? Which is 6. We see that this will cancel here. 3 plus 3 is 6, which is equals to 6. So what we have on the left hand side is what we have on the right hand side. Therefore, the first value of x1, y1 satisfy this equation. Then for the second one, where we say, then at x equals to 3 minus root 3, then we have y equals to 3 plus root 3. Then the equation is x plus y. When we add this, then we are going to have 3 minus root 3. Then we have plus y, which is 3 plus root 3. So this will give us, when we add this, we can see that this will cancel here, or less equals to 6, because the equation says x plus y equals to 6. When this cancels this, we have 3 plus 3, which is 6 equals to 6. So the second equation still gives us 6. What we have on the left hand side is what we have on the right hand side. Then for the second statement, which is x, y equals to 6, then our value of x and y, which is 3 root 3 times 3 plus root 3 equals to 6. If you can see that this is solution of difference of 2 square, when we have a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2 equals to a plus minus b into a plus b. So this is what we have. If this is our a and this is our b, and this is our a and this is our b, so this is going to give us, expressing this in this format, is going to give us 3 to the power of 2 minus square root of 3 all to the power of 2 equals to what, which is 6. We know that 3 to the power of 2 is 9 minus square root of 3 to the power of 2. 2 will cancel here and 2 will cancel here, will become 3 equals to what? 9 minus 3 equals to 6, and which is equals to 6. So what we have on the left hand side is what we have on the right hand side. Therefore, at this x times y equals to 6, where our value of x equals to 3 minus root 3 and value of y equals to 3 plus root 3, satisfy this equation. If you like what we are doing here, follow us on our Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment, and share video for more interesting topics. Thank you.